Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, a coin is tossed once. What is the probability of getting a tail? When coin is tossed, favorable outcomes are 1. Now, total number of outcomes are H or T means 2. Okay. Therefore, probability is, as we know that probability is favorable outcome by total number of outcomes. That is 1 by 2. Thus, the probability of getting a head or tail is 1 by 2. So our correct option is option B.